Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming town of Nanton, Alberta, a small community that beautifully blends history, natural beauty, and small town hospitality. Nanton was named after Sir Augustus Nanton, a prominent figure in Canadian finance and politics during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The town quickly grew as a result of the railway expansion, which brought new opportunities and settlers to the area. Today, Nanton retains its small town charm and offers a peaceful, friendly environment that appeals to both residents and visitors. Nanton is located in the heart of the Alberta Prairies, surrounded by rolling hills and vast open spaces. The area is known for its stunning landscapes and breathtaking views, particularly during the golden hours of sunrise and sunset. The nearby Rocky Mountains provide a majestic backdrop, adding to the town's picturesque setting. The Nanton Bomber Command Museum is a notable landmark that pays tribute to the Royal Canadian Air Force's Bomber Command during World War II. Additionally, Nanton's historic downtown area features well-preserved buildings and shops that offer a glimpse into the town's early days. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Nanton offers a unique and charming experience that captures the essence of small-town Alberta.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Nanton, Alberta.